I deserve all the love, kindness, and respect I give the world. I am beautiful inside and out. My beauty radiates and touches everyone around me. I am unique, and my beauty is part of my individuality. I appreciate my body and accept all aspects of myself. I am confident in my body and my beauty. I embrace my beauty and embrace the beauty of others. I am worth celebrating every day. My beauty is an asset that I proudly share with the world. I allow myself to be beautiful and enjoy it. I am beautiful, both on the inside and the outside. My beauty is incomparable and priceless. I am strong, confident, and beautiful. I love my body, mind, and soul. I am beautiful, even when I make mistakes. I celebrate and honor my body and soul. I am confident in what I have to offer this world. I will never apologize for my beauty. I am worthy of all the compliments I get. My beauty lives and moves with grace. I know my potential and work to make it shine. I am powerful and beautiful because of everything I have done and been through. My body is a work of art and something to be proud of. I honor my beauty and accept love without feeling unworthy. I am thankful for my unique beauty and the joy it brings. I recognize my beauty and accept it with grace. I forgive myself for the times I don't feel beautiful. I am worth loving and being loved. I fully embrace my beauty and all the positive energy it brings me. I honor and respect myself, allowing myself to be beautiful.